former assistant.
How many points did they give him?
Yeah, he's heading back to
Baltimore was favored by like 4.5 or something.
4.5.
And a chance to become the first team
They were off by
since
12
New England of
points.
2003 and 4 to go back to back.
It's a devastating loss for Lamar Jackson. You always think you're going to have so many opportunities.
Well, hey, it's going to be the Chiefs and the 49ers. How are we going to do that game?
Looks like it.
Back here next year, Jim.
He's just 27.
We're not going to be with the Woodhaven group.
Two-time MVP, most likely.
Although they'll be for the Niners too, which we are.
It's so hard to get by when you have a
But
great coach and a great quarterback and a great team coordinator as well.
Kansas City should win. It's no big deal to me.
Congratulations, Patrick. We're doing this again. All the talk all year about your receivers not coming up clutch throughout the season. Take us through that final pass there to MVS to seal the deal and send you to the Super Bowl.
Yeah, they brought everybody. They were going to challenge us, and the guys stepped up and made plays. I mean, God put us a lot of adversity in our